Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's rotatable linear LED metal light. The package includes one accessory kit and a swiveling linear LED metal lamp. The accessory kit includes a bag of screws, one tube of German imported adhesive, one strong adhesive sticker, and an instruction manual. The lampshade of the product can be adjusted to any angle. First, remove the two mounting screws from the bottom of the product and set them aside safely. Remove the metal mounting plate from inside the product base. Place the metal mounting plate where you plan to install the product, mark the position, and drill holes with an electric drill. Insert the two screw sleeves from the screw pack into the holes. Reinstall the metal mounting plate and insert the two mounting screws from the screw kit into their respective screw sleeves. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to your power supply using the cable clamp you have provided. Next, align the two holes at the bottom of the product with the ends of the mounting plate and place it in position. Reinstall the two mounting screws from the bottom of the product that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.